So, a long line here for the handle and a curve there, and now we have, well, there's a circle at the top and a curve here and over here. And we have, so, a carrot with the green stuff on top and a potato with eyes and a celery stick with some lines.